$30,000 draw at Indian Head Chrysler. Eddie and I are here, and we're live. So if anything I say is wrong, please forgive me. We have a few things to say just about the dealership before we get started. Reminder about factory orders. It's the beginning of the year. Let's get them in. They should be coming shortly, all the 2023 models. Reminder about cars. We will buy yours even if you don't buy ours. We want all the cars, all the trades, all the vehicles. And then a little bit about service and parts. So service, don't forget you can now book online. Right through our website, you can go, you can book your service appointment, oil change. It's super easy. And as far as tires and accessories and everything else goes, we have a price match guarantee on all tires. We can do custom order accessories, and we're basically here for all your vehicle needs. And so last year's winners.
Yes, last year's winner, Claire and Gary Krupski from Lemberg. They factory ordered, actually, talking about factory orders, they ordered Grand Cherokee Summit. I'm keeping my fingers crossed that one of my customers wins again, because they won last year. They were my customer, so good luck. Well, to all customers, but yeah, more to mine.
So yeah, we're super excited. I think we're gonna get rolling. We'll spin this for a little bit. Time to change somebody's life. I'll let you pick.
Oh my goodness. I'm nervous.
Oh.
I can't look.
Okay, don't let it spin. Okay, the ball number is 214.
Drum roll.
Woohoo. 214. Paul Marshall, you just won 30 grand. Woo!
Congrats, Paul.
Yeah, that's super exciting. We'll be calling you shortly.